Before you start YouTube automation, you should know the real truth. Lately, I've seen many experts talking about all the money you can make with YouTube automation, but none of them mention the challenges and reality you'll face. The truth is, YouTube automation can be very profitable or a complete waste of time if you don't know the risks I'll share today. If you're curious about my YouTube background, I've uploaded hundreds of videos and made tens of thousands of dollars. I've had viral hits but also big failures, and I've learned from every video I've posted. With all the recent hype about YouTube automation, I searched YouTube for a video that talks about the reality and the downsides of this business model, but couldn't find any. So, I decided to create this video and share my story to help you avoid the same mistakes. But first, we need to understand what I mean by YouTube automation. When YouTube first started, most channels were run by a person who appeared in the videos. But one day, someone decided to try posting a video without showing their face. Instead, this person recorded their voice and used stock footage, which got millions of views, and that's how YouTube automation started. Now, let me tell you what happened to me so you can avoid making the same mistakes. When I first heard about YouTube automation, it really caught my attention. I love YouTube, and the word automation sounded easy and simple. I kept seeing videos about channels getting millions of views and making thousands of dollars, with the owners buying fancy cars. So, I decided to try it myself by creating my own YouTube automation channel. The first thing I did was make a list of YouTube channel ideas. 3 days later, I had my channel idea, which was a mistake, but I'll explain that later. My plan was simple. I decided to make a compilation channel for the most viral memes on the internet. I thought it would be easy to make videos and get lots of views quickly. I spent a few hours editing my first video, hoping it would go viral and start making money. A week went by, and it got about 50 views. So, I tried again with more viral clips.